For English medium students, this is regarding your mind map series. What is that mind map series? What are you trying to say? Uh, yeah, that is the most important thing to cover up your entire syllabus with a small time. From using these mind maps, you can cover up your entire syllabus from little time, and also from using this we mind map series, you can memorize all the equations at a very less time. And the other case is from using these mind maps, you can I can tell that just like this, after studying these mind maps you can tackle the papers right away, because you have the broad idea about the syllabus in from these single papers. From these papers will be only 11 papers, yeah. So how could you get that? uh, After filling the Google form, here from you can see the description box. Check the description box of this YouTube video, fill the Google form for you. Then my IT department will contact you, then they will send you some PDF via email, and from those emails, those PDFs, in those PDFs there will be an unique identity. There will be an unique identity all the students, so you can't distribute it, because it will be illegal to intellectual properties, and it will be not good to you. It will be very harmful to you. And the other thing is, you can use this to your studies, and we are giving this with very fair price. No one doing this type of thing in Sri Lanka, and no one doing this type, no one selling these mind maps to just like this fair price. We are giving it to a very lower price, because we know some students have some difficulties in their economics, and we know about that. So okay, we can go through these videos, and the other thing is, this is a sample video about your mind maps. After we sending the PDFs, I will send some guide videos. The duration of that guide videos will be only 2 to 3 minutes for each lesson. So to 11 lessons there will be only 33-minute videos. After checking them one time with your PDFs, you can get some printouts. It will be more easier to you. After checking the guide videos with your mind maps, you can get the broad idea about the syllabus. You can get the deep idea about your syllabus, because this will be. And the other thing is, these are mainly focused on equations. So I know your hardest thing is memorizing equations. So after checking these mind maps, you can remember each and every equation very easily. Okay, we can go through this video. We can go through this mind map. Wow, this is thermal physics 1, thermometry. Thermal equilibrium. What is thermal equilibrium? You can see the word contact. So what is the meaning of that? If there is a contact between two objects, and the temperatures, if the temperatures are theta 1 and theta 2, and if these theta 1 and theta 2 should equals to each other, then we can say these objects in a thermal equilibrium. After seeing this symbol, you can get the broad idea about what is the thermal equilibrium. If we check about zeroth law of thermodynamics, you can see if A and B, if the objects A and B is in an equilibrium form with C, then A and B should equilibrium each other. What I said before, if A is in equilibrium with C, and if B is in equilibrium with C, then A and B should be in equilibrium also. That's why I told you to say it as the last part. Okay, here you can see thermometers. These are some definitions. Thermometers, devices which can measure temperature quantitatively. Thermometric properties, physical quantities which are varying with temperature. Thermometric substances which are retentive a thermometric property. As an example, mercury glass thermometer. Thermometric property is mercury. And the essentials of thermometric properties. What are them? This should be continuous. First one is the continuous, their properties. What are the properties? Essentials of thermometric properties. First one, they should be continuous. This is a discontinuous one. It can't be. This is the one. It should be continuous. And it can't be a doubled value function. It should be a single value function. For each physical quantity, there should be only one temperature. In this, you can see for one physical quantity, there are two temperatures. It can't be happen. And the other thing is, these must be linear as much as possible. These functions should be, these properties should be, these essentials of thermometric properties, you can see, these must be linear as much as possible. Then we can go through essentials of thermometric substances. The first one is higher thermal conductivity. That means high speed. You can see a car. You can tell me that by checking your handwriting, how can we identify this is a car? That's why I am sending you a guide video, Puta. That's why I am sending that. After checking it once, you can get that. You can remember everything I told you, because my voice is very rough, and yeah, you can see. The higher thermal conductivity. That means high speed. That's the speed reactions. If the temperature is very less, you can see they are saying that to a very less temperature, we must see a huge change on the related thermometric properties. That means higher sensitivity. You can see ice becoming water. What's that? That's a state change. So if we check about the essentials of a thermometric substance, it mustn't be a state changeable thing. If you consider about mercury, at higher temperatures, it will not change its state. From that you can say, what is the benefit of that? It will be a large scale. So it mustn't be state changeable one to the higher temperatures. From that benefit you can get large scale one. And the other thing is, these thermometric substances must be very low in heat capacity, and the density of them should be very low. Why? It should be lightweight ones. Then temperature scales. You can see, what is this? Fixed point. What is fixed point? Fixed point is the permanent temperatures which are used into scale calibrations. What is the ice point? Ice point, or you can say lower point. What is that? Lower point to ice point. The temperature which ice becoming water. The temperature which ice becoming water. Ice point. You can tell it freezing point. But try to remember, we are doing in the atmospheric pressure 760. And if we consider about the steam point, you can see the water is boiling. This is a kettle. You can tell that. So how can we identify this kettle? This is just like some other. You can tell that. That's why I am sending you a very small guide videos for each mind map. It will not larger duration just like this sample videos, because this is an introduction about what I am trying to give you. This is steam point, this is the boil point. That means the water is boiling, the boiling point, and this is the higher point. If you consider about the temperature scales definition, scales made for give a numerical value to temperature. And if we consider about the setting up a temperature scale, you can see you can set up the temperature scales, and from that The most important equations are theta equals to x theta minus xl divided by xh minus xl into theta h minus theta l plus theta l. And you can see the Fahrenheit and the connection between Fahrenheit and the Celsius. You can see theta F equals to 9 divided by 5 into theta C plus 32. These are the most important equations, but I didn't complete this one because I want to add some things about the mercury glass thermometer, and I want to add some information about thermistor and also thermocouple. Okay, but the most important thing I want to tell that you don't want to get so many mind maps to cover up the entire syllabus. You know, this thermometry is mainly focused with so many theory parts. That's why I made a single page to this. I allocate a single page to this thermometry, but I can cover up the other parts in heat from only one mind map. After the mind map series, I will send another very effective paper that is also based with mind map theories, but that is also mainly based with mind maps concept. But in that paper you can get the all equations to a one paper. Yeah, I can summarize all the equations in the syllabus to a one paper. I am also sending that with this mind map series. Okay, if you want to get this, you want to fill the Google form, then my IT department will contact you. Okay, Buddha, thank you.